Okay, hi guys. Today I'm with my sister right here, hiding. Look at the booty. And then I have my brother right there. The rest of my family there. But you guys don't know that guy yet.
How is this a damn Joker? It's a horse.
Look at this stupid. Yeah, this is how jokers are. Big money. Did this? Here, give. Give this. Give this. I'm gonna do something. It's called big money, idiot.
What? Give her that card.
Shoot. Oh!
Go get it. Okay.
Oh my God!
Okay, so yeah, his name is
That's what you
Royce.
get.
He looks like a nerd,
What?
a girl nerd. Oh my God! He looks like a nerd because of the nerdy glasses. And then she even looks like a girl. I mean, he even looks like a girl.
Oh, heck.
The long surfer hair. He started it. He made poop on it.
What's wrong with you, dude?
What's that over there? So, laters, and this is all.